Today's tip is just to breathe. I know that sounds really crazy. I mean, if you weren't breathing right now, you probably wouldn't be watching or reading this blog right now, right? But even though you're breathing, you may not be breathing properly, the right way, which means you may be not getting all of the amazing benefits from actually breathing properly. You know how when you feel really panicked or really angry and someone says, just take a deep breath? Well, it actually works. Deep breathing signals your parasympathetic nervous system to slow your heart rate down and actually release hormones that make you feel calmer. That's why you'll see performers who are about to go on stage take a few deep breaths, and athletes do the same thing too. And a lot of us do it unconsciously. We'll take a deep breath before a difficult meeting or a tricky phone call. We'll take a deep breath before trying to do something that's challenging for us without even really thinking about it or noticing that we're even doing it. Just about all forms of meditation use deep breathing to relax the body and calm the mind. They often call it belly breathing. Belly breathing is the kind of breathing that a baby does. If you watch a little kid at rest, you see that when their tummy rises when they inhale and drops when they exhale. Some forms of meditation just suggest breathing into your belly and paying attention to your breath. Others are more specific and recommend 4, 7, 8 breathing, which is breathe in for seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, then exhale for 8 seconds, and then repeat that. Because you're counting the seconds, you naturally stay focused on your breath, right? My best friend Raquel, she actually is the CEO of Spark Movement. She got me to realize just how important breathing is through her yoga work. In fact, she's doing a free online virtual classes right now, and they are wonderful. So you can go to raquelotis.com/spark and get all the details on her classes. Doing the breathing work with her has helped me absolutely tremendously, especially with what's going on right now. It's relaxing me. I just read about the types of breathing that Navy SEALs are trained to do. Navy SEALs are in horribly stressful situations all the time. To survive in those situations, they need to remain calm and focused, don't they? So they've learned something called box breathing to help them actually stay calm, centered, so they can deal with whatever they're facing to help us. It goes something like this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold the air into your lungs for 4 seconds. Next, exhale for 4 seconds. Then pause for another 4 seconds before actually inhaling again. You can do this 5 times or more until you feel calm again. It's so simple. You can find a bunch of breathing techniques online, and all of them are effective, but you'll probably find one that you like better than others. So do your own research, do your own homework. It might take a while to get the hang of the deep breathing, but just find a breathing pattern that works for you and make a point to practice it every night when you lie down to go to sleep or when you're feeling stressed out. The more you do it, the more naturally it will start to become, and the more healing benefits that you're going to get from it. Then the next time you have a big decision to make, or you're feeling stressed out or anxious or even angry, give your breathing a shot. Within minutes, you'll find that your mindset is totally rebooted, you'll feel calmer, and you'll feel more relaxed than prior to doing that. You'll be able to meet whatever challenge you're going to face with a clear, centered mind. So, deep breathing is something that you can do anywhere at any time. And just remember, take a deep breath. And I'd love to hear from you on our social channels as to how you're taking deep breaths to stay calm, centered, and relaxed. Just look up Krista Mashore and you'll find us there. And don't forget, I'd love to see you on our free challenge. Just go to KristaMashore.com/free challenge, while I be coaching entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals just like you for free for 20 days. And the training is absolutely amazing. So go to KristaMashore.com/free challenge and I will see you there.